Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Google Pixel 8a device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Firstly, open the control panel and find here activities you don't need right now. For example, internet, so Wi-Fi, disable it if you don't need the Wi-Fi connection right now. Click done. Then disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. If you, as you can see here, is the Wi-Fi only. So if you don't need a mobile network right now, so disable the mobile network. I don't have the SIM card, so I can't disable the mobile network. So and of course, very good idea to enable the dark mode, because in the dark mode a lot of space on your screen is dark and your screen is not consuming in this place's battery power. So it's very good idea to enable the dark mode. To enable dark mode, you need to open the settings, then scroll down, find display here, and then find here dark theme and enable it. Cool. So fine. And now, as you can see, here in settings we have battery. Find battery and here choose battery usage, and here you can check your list of applications that consuming your battery power. Find application consuming a lot of battery power and take decision what you need to do with these apps. Maybe remove if you don't use these apps, but they are consuming a battery power. For example, like Bose app. I don't use Bose app, but it's consuming 4% per day. And as you can see, 24 minutes of screen time, but it's not true. For example, of course, not in my case, because this is just office phone, so everyone in office use this device. But you understand, right? So here you can check applications that consume your battery power, and if you notice that application use a lot of battery power, but you don't use this app, so just remove it. Maybe it might be a virus or something about it. Cool. And of course, it's a very good idea to enable the battery saver. Here we have standard battery saver and we can enable it, and we have extreme battery saver and we can enable it too. Of course, in this mode your device will live longer with one charging, or you can just use standard. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.